Hi, I'm John and welcome to KooBits, the best place for practicing math. In this video, I'm going to show you an example to solve a math problem. The method used can be applied to other similar math questions. Okay, let's get started.
An animal shelter keeps only dogs and cats. 1/3 of the animals are dogs. There are 4 fewer dogs than cats. How many animals are there in the animal shelter? Let's break down the question and understand it, shall we? An animal shelter keeps only dogs and cats. 1/3 of the animals are dogs. Do we know how many animals there are at the shelter altogether? No, we do not. But we do know that 1/3 of the animals are dogs. There are 4 fewer dogs than cats. Do we know how many cats there are? No, we do not. But we do know the difference between the number of cats and the number of dogs, which is 4. And there are fewer dogs than cats. The question asks us to find the total number of animals there are in the shelter. Alright, now that we've understood the question, let's move on to solve this word problem. The animal shelter keeps only dogs and cats. Let's use a rectangle to represent the total number of dogs and cats in the animal shelter. 1/3 of the animals are dogs. Let's divide the rectangle into 3 equal parts. 1 part out of the 3 parts represents the number of dogs. Let's represent 1 part as 1 unit. Can you see that the number of cats can be represented by 2 units? There are 4 fewer dogs than cats. Let's use a comparison model diagram to compare the number of dogs and the number of cats. Look closely at the diagram. Can you see that the cats diagram has 1 more unit than the dogs diagram? Since the difference between the number of cats and dogs is equal to 4, we know that 1 unit is equal to 4. Do you get it? Great! Let's move on to the next part. 1 unit equals 4. The total number of animals in the animal shelter is represented by 3 units. 3 units equals 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Hence, there are 12 animals in the animal shelter. Let's move on to check our answers and ensure they are correct. From our answer, we know that there are 12 animals altogether. The number of dogs is equal to 1/3 multiplied by 12 equals 4. The number of cats is equal to 12 minus the number of dogs, 4, and that equals 8. 8 minus 4 equals 4. There are 4 fewer dogs than cats. This is consistent with the value given in the question. Therefore, we know our answer is correct.
KooBits, engaging the digital kids.